make iPhone vibrate in silent mode? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'll show you guys how can you make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. To do it so, you have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up your settings, and then you want to scroll down a bit and go to Sounds and Haptics. After you go to Sounds and Haptics, you will be taken to next page, and here you can see this sort of option. So make sure to toggle the button for play haptics in silent mode. Once you've done it so, restart your device and you've got to go. So that's the way you can make iPhone vibrate in silent mode. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.